Most broccoli will give you one big head and then it's done for the season. But this is my third harvest from these three plants. And in a garden that's under 200 square feet, that's why I keep growing it. One thing I've learned after 20 years of gardening is that not every crop earns its space. And when you're gardening in a small suburban backyard, every square foot matters. So I'm always looking for crops that keep producing instead of giving me a single harvest and then calling it a season. Traditional broccoli focuses most of its energy on producing one large head, and there's nothing wrong with that. But if I'm dedicating space for 2 or 3 months, I want more than one dinner out of it. And that's why I've moved towards sprouting types, like artwork. After you harvest the main crown, artwork keeps producing side shoots. Not giant heads, smaller shoots, like these. But they just keep coming. As I said, this is my third harvest from these plants, and I've already planted 2 more starts for the next round. And for the way I cook, this is perfect. I use them in stir fries, soups, sautés, pasta, whatever I'm making this week. I don't judge vegetables by how much I'm going to harvest in a single day. I like to judge it based on how many crops can I get out of it over the course of a season. And in a small garden, that makes a big difference. That's why this little one, artwork or sprouting broccoli, is the better broccoli for me to grow. So if you're working with a small garden and you haven't tried a sprouting broccoli variety, I suggest you give it a try. It's not about which is the better broccoli. It's about the one that I can keep harvesting for a longer period of time. If you've enjoyed this video and it's been helpful, hit subscribe, hit like, and we'll see you next time.